Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Olmsted here. Today we're going to work on taking two short sentences and putting them into one long sentence. When we do that, we are going to use a connecting word, and it's a little word that you've probably known since kindergarten or even before. It's the word and. So I have a sentence, two sentences already written here. The two sentences that I have written says, the dog saw her family. She was happy. So we're going to take those two sentences and we're going to make them into one big sentence, connecting those sentences where we see the period after the word family. So I'm going to write exactly the same thing, but I'm going to connect those sentences using the word and. So the dog saw her family. And in my first set of sentences, I have the period after the word family, but instead of writing the period, I'm going to write the word and. The dog saw her family and she was happy. All right. Now you'll notice in the top set of sentences where I have my two sentences after the period, I started the word she with a capital letter. In my second set of sentences, which is actually just one sentence now, it says the dog saw her family and she was happy. I did not capitalize the word she there because it is no longer the start of a sentence. So I do not need to have it have a capital letter anymore. So today you're going to be doing some work in your reader's notebook on just exactly what I did. You're going to take two sentences and you're going to make it into one long sentence, connecting it with the word and. Have a great day, guys.